my friends and family, not in Montreal right now. This is the last leg of my walk home. This car's stuck. Sucks to be you, buddy. Shouldn't have even tried today. Delicious. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at all this snow, everybody. Woohoo. I bet my car looks like that right now at the gym. It's not worse. You tell this guy went to go get a pizza and then came back. Look. Oh shit, I didn't even notice that car. Holy shit. Can we see this right now? Holy crap. That guy's screwed. Yeah. Up to the door handles. Everybody's shoveling. Not me. Forget that. I'm going to shovel tomorrow, everybody. Anyway. Let's check out this intersection, and that'll be enough of a video. Just want to show everybody. Hello. Alright, this is what all the intersections look like in Montreal. I could even stop. Oh, I got that on video. You don't get in trouble. See? It's just piles of snow in every direction. It's like 2 feet of snow right in the middle of the intersection, right there. And I was supposed to go down there. Hope everybody's happy you had a white Christmas. Bye.